Good morning, join me for a day in the life of a KitAid volunteer. I've got some kit here from my garage, the teams that have donated kit, and I'm now at Enterprise hiring a van. I'm going to drive up to Gillingham FC, pick up some kit, and then I'm going to head up to Hatfield to drop off the kit. So kit has been collected from Gillingham. Thank you to Matt Funnell and Gillingham FC. If you are a professional club and you have kit lying around, please do get in touch and we can arrange someone to collect the kit. Just like today, I've taken it up to Hatfield and charities are ready to take it over to their projects across Africa and beyond in the next few weeks. Back at Enterprise, thank you to Enterprise for the vehicle today. And a load of other KitAid volunteers do this on a regular basis and no one ever sees it. So I've made this video and there's loads more people that do stuff like this all the time. So thank you to the many volunteers that make KitAid possible and make KitAid happen.